Good morning all, it's Jenny from Crazy Crafts. Today we got a parcel. But first, before we open it, let's check out the box. Check it, that side and that side. I reckon that's hand drawn or a stamp maybe. So I pre-cut this because take two was an awful situation opening the box. So let's have a look at what's inside. Okay, nice packaging. Comes from the USA, not China, as you can see from this variety mail thing. Okay, business card, awesome. Packet, awesome. More packaging. Oh, almost missed that. Sticker, awesome. There you go. This is who it came from. So we have a nice Ziploc bag with a good zip, not just a press zip, not press seal, it's actual Ziploc. There's another spider on there. Sorry about my poor camera work. I'm subject to being able to do things with one hand because I don't have a decent camera. Alright, inside the said Ziploc bag we have this one, packet of hardware and instructions in English. Woohoo, not Chinglish. Shows you how it works, indications to a video, hole template for you to mount it onto whatever you're mounting it onto. They're designed for the 12-foot skeletons, of course, because we want the heads to turn. Now essentially I assume this is either a off-the-shelf part or a 3D printed part. This is that funky plastic stuff, can't remember what it's called. It's just some spaces and a little tiny Lazy Susan on the bottom. And from reading the instructions, I assume I need to connect it to a motor somehow. So I will get onto their website and have a look at the video that shows me exactly what to do with it. Maybe I can use it for other things in the meantime, or I can make them myself. Awesome. All right, that's it for today. So have a good day and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye for now.